Quick history in 3 minutes or less.
Hey space enthusiasts! Today I'm taking you on a thrilling journey through the Cold War space race. Buckle up. It all began in 1945. World War II had just ended and the world was divided into two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union. The rivalry was intense and space became the new frontier for competition. Fast forward to 1957. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, shocking the world and kicking off the space race. The United States wasn't far behind, launching Explorer 1 in 1958. Both nations were pushing the limits of technology and human endurance. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to orbit Earth, a massive win for the Soviets. But the US responded with Project Mercury and Alan Shepard, the first American in space. The stakes were getting higher. President Kennedy then threw down the gauntlet in 1961, declaring that America would land a man on the moon before the decade's end. Enter the Apollo program. After years of trials and tragedies, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin set foot on the moon in 1969. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. But here's where it gets even more interesting. By the early 1970s, both superpowers realized that collaboration could yield greater results than competition. In 1975, the Apollo-Soyuz test project marked the end of the space race and the beginning of cooperation. American and Soviet spacecraft docked in orbit and astronauts from both nations shook hands in space. It was a historic moment of unity. And there you have it, folks. From fierce competition to groundbreaking cooperation, the Cold War space race paved the way for future space exploration. Thanks for watching and keep looking up.